and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a very simple tulip coaster. Everyone's been doing this one, so we'll make it a bit different this time. Start by chaining or start by making your magic circle. Chain 2 and make 8 half double crochet in your magic circle. Slip stitch to close, and we're going to make a chain of 2, and this time we're going to make an increase round, so 2 half double crochets in every chain. So repeat, making 2 half double crochets in every chain around. For our next round, chain 2, and we're going to make an alternate increase. Make 1 half double crochet on the first chain and then an increase, making 2 half double crochets on the next chain. Again, 1 half double crochet and then an increase. So repeat around until you reach the last chain, slip stitch, and then we're going to do the next round. Chain 2 for our next round to move up, and we're going to make 2 half double crochets in the next 2 chains. And an increase. So 1 half double in each of the next 2 chains and an increase. So that will be our repeat, 1 half double for the next 2 chains and then an increase. So now we are ready to close our yarn and cut. This time we're going to change color into green one. So take your next color and attach in any chain. This is how I attach my yarn. You can attach whichever way you prefer. Insert your hook. Grab your yarn. Chain 3 plus 1 and make another double crochet into the same chain. Skip 1 chain and then make your 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet. So continue around, skipping 1 chain and doing your V-stitch in the next chain. We are done with our green. Slip stitch and cut your yarn. So now we are done with our green, and I'm going to take my blue color and attach it in between the V-stitch. Chain 3 and work 4 double crochets on the V-stitch. Now we have a total of 5. Our chain 3 will count as double crochet. Take your hook off and insert your hook on the 3rd chain, on the chain 3 that we made. Then insert your hook again and pull the tone as if you're making a slip stitch. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat. On the next V-stitch, make 5 double crochets. Remove your hook. Insert your hook on the 1st chain, or this is the last of the chain 4. Chain 4. This is where we're going to insert our hook. Then 5 double crochets again. Now we have 5. Take up your hook. Insert your hook on this last chain. So you just have to repeat until the last V-stitch. And now we are on our last. I have done my chain 4 and we're going to attach to close our last round. And we're ready to cut our yarn. And we are done with our blue tulip coaster. I will just weave my end later on as well as at the back. So thank you again for watching and joining me today. I hope to see you again in my next video. Thank you so much. Happy crocheting, everyone, and God bless.